What if the sun disappeared? Right now. No warning, no explosion, just darkness. Within seconds, humanity would realize Earth is dying. Every second, the sun powers almost everything on Earth. The oceans, the weather, plants, animals, civilization itself. Without it, human history ends. But surprisingly, the first few minutes wouldn't look as terrifying as you think. Tonight we enter a parallel timeline, a world where the sun suddenly vanishes. Because without the sun, Earth becomes a frozen planet drifting through space. 1. The first 8 minutes. Here's the terrifying part. If the sun disappeared right now, we wouldn't know immediately, because sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. For 8 minutes, everything appears completely normal. People drive to work, planes cross the sky, children play outside. Nobody realizes the most important object in human existence is already gone. Then suddenly, the sky turns black. Not nighttime black, cosmic black. Stars appear everywhere. The moon disappears too, and panic spreads across the planet instantly. But darkness is only the beginning, because Earth itself is starting to freeze. 2. The temperature collapse. At first, temperatures drop slowly. After 24 hours, Earth's average temperature falls close to freezing. Within a week, the planet reaches around -17 degrees Celsius. Entire cities lose power. Snowstorms intensify. Crops begin dying everywhere. And after 1 year, Earth's surface falls below -70 degrees Celsius. Oceans slowly begin freezing from the top down. Most humanity would already be gone. But strangely, some life may still survive, because hidden beneath Earth's surface, humanity might make one final attempt to survive. 3. The underground world. As the surface becomes uninhabitable, governments rush underground. Massive bunkers, subway systems, deep underground facilities. Scientists begin searching for alternative heat sources. Nuclear reactors become humanity's last hope. Some communities survive near geothermal vents, deep caves, and underground energy systems. And near the bottom of Earth's oceans, certain ecosystems continue surviving around hydrothermal vents. Life clings to existence in total darkness. But civilization, that's another story. Because the sun didn't just provide heat, it powered the global economy itself. And now the modern world is collapsing faster than ever before. 4. The fall of civilization. Without sunlight, food production ends almost immediately. Plants die, animals starve, supply chains collapse. Within weeks, grocery stores are empty. Governments declare global emergencies. Military forces attempt to maintain order. The internet becomes unstable as power grids fail. And psychologically, humanity begins breaking down. For thousands of years, humans evolved under sunlight. Now imagine permanent darkness, no sunrise, no blue sky, no warmth, only endless night. Some people stop believing survival is possible at all. But then scientists discover something terrifying. Earth itself is leaving the solar system. 5. Earth becomes a rogue planet. The sun's gravity keeps Earth in orbit. Without it, our planet shoots into deep space. Earth becomes a rogue planet, a frozen world drifting endlessly through the galaxy. And as the atmosphere cools, the air itself begins condensing. Eventually, even oxygen may freeze. At this point, the surface of Earth becomes completely deadly. Only isolated underground colonies remain alive, tiny pockets of humanity hiding beneath the ice. And now comes the scariest question of all. Could humans survive forever without the sun? 6. Humanity's last chance, maybe. But life would never look the same again. Future generations would grow up without ever seeing sunlight, trees, blue skies, or oceans. Children would hear stories about the sun like ancient mythology, a glowing star that once lit the world. And eventually, humanity may evolve into a completely underground civilization, powered entirely by artificial energy, nuclear reactors, and machine-controlled ecosystems. But even then, resources slowly run out, and one day, the last lights on Earth begin fading too. One missing star, and the greatest civilization in history disappears into darkness. 7. The final twist. Ironically, most humans rarely think about the sun. It rises every day, silent, reliable, constant. But without it, almost everything humans built collapses within months. No food, no weather, no ecosystems, no civilization. Which means the sun isn't just part of our solar system. It is the reason our world exists. Every city, every ocean, every human depends entirely on one star. Tomorrow morning, the sun will rise again, warm, bright, familiar, and most people will never think twice about it. But somewhere in another timeline, Earth drifts silently through frozen darkness, while the last surviving humans remember what sunlight once felt like. Because sometimes, the things we see every day are secretly holding reality together. Welcome to Parallel Theory.